Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the part number 7 of the Penelope blanket. Remember that you can find this shirt on my website. You can find the link on the description below, and you can find the shirts of the other parts also, and also the video tutorials, and you have to repeat the part that it is in the square. Maybe this is one of the easiest part of this blanket. Let's start with the 2 rows of base. With the 2 base rows, remember, leave a long tail at the beginning of the row. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then in all the row you have to make 1 single crochet, taking only the back loops to the end. 1 single crochet, taking only the back loops. Once you are at the end, you have to make 1 single crochet normally at the last stitch. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. This is the first base row. Second base row, change the color and repeat the same, leaving a long tail. Place the yarn at the first stitch. Make in the same space 1 single crochet, and then repeat to the end 1 single crochet, taking the back loops to the end. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Remember, at the last stitch you have to make the single crochet normally. Chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Remember that you can find this shirt on my website. You can find the link on the description below, and you can find the shirts of the other parts also, and also the video tutorials, and you have to repeat the part that it is in the square. Now you have to start with the row number 1 that you find with double crochet here with the light color, and then you have to make 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet. The 3 single crochet taking only the back loops, and make the double crochet taking the free loop that you have on the previous row of the same color. Take the loop from the bottom part to the top and make 1 double crochet, and repeat 3 single crochet, taking the back loops, and 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Row number 2, the third row of the shirt, you have to start with 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet, remember, taking the back loops. 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. Row number 4 of the shirt, you have to make 1 single crochet, and then make 1 double crochet and repeat to the end. 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. And then you have to start with the first row with a row with only single crochet with the dark color, single crochet with a dark color, and then repeat again the row number 2, 3 and 4.